Chicken fillet rolled in goat and mozzarella cheese with spinach in 10 minutes. We'll be needing 4 pieces of chicken fillet cut in the middle horizontally to form 8 pieces. Take each piece and put it between plastic wrap and bang it with a wooden hammer until it's evenly thick. Prepare 8 pieces of foil and 8 pieces of butter paper. In a glass bowl, add 200 grams of goat cheese, 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix until the cheese with the cream. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme and half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Mix well and set aside. Lay the spinach leaves on top of each fillet to make 1 layer. Then add 1 tablespoon of the cheese mix on top of the spinach and spread it out. If you are using frozen spinach, you can add it to the cheese mix and then top the fillet. Roll the fillet in the manner that you see, and then pour some olive oil on the butter paper, and then wrap the butter paper to seal it. Then wrap it again with the foil sheet. Repeat the process for each and every fillet. You can freeze some now, or keep them in the fridge for later use, or start to bake them. Place them in a preheated oven at 220 Celsius for 55 minutes. Let them cool before opening each wrap, or protect your fingers because it's gonna be too hot. Decorate them with a sprinkle of chili powder or paprika.